Hey guys, welcome to another Solopreneur finance tutorial. In this video, we are going to do a comparison between Quicken Simplifi and Monarch and see which is going to be the best budgeting app for you. So when comparing Quicken Simplifi and Monarch, the best budgeting app depends on your needs, like automations, customizations, investment, and tracking, and also the simplicity. So we are going to set up here a breakdown to help you decide which is going to be better for you. Now, we are going to start by the ease of use and also the design. If we're going to start by Monarch, it is going to be a clean, modern interface, easy to navigate with a dashboard that focuses on net worth, goals, and budgeting. For Quicken Simplifi, also it is going to be a user-friendly with a sleek look, but a bit more data dense, good for users who like seeing a lot of info at once. So you're going to get everything into one dashboard. So we're going to give the point in here for Quicken Simplifi because it is going to have everything set up into one only dashboard. You're going to set up the budgeting. If you're going to have here the budgeting, I'm going to let you see here a glance at the dashboard. So you're going to have the spending plans, everything is set up like the charts, the categories of the bills, the income, and etc. Everything is going to be in one platform or one dashboard. You're going to set up the alerts and etc. Now we're going to head over the budgeting features that we are going to find. On Monarch, it is going to be highly customizable budgeting. You're going to create rollovers, set variable incomes, and also set up the resources. As you can see, the dashboard is going to be a blast. You're going to get tons of information in each one of the compartments that you're going to find into your account. We have the cash flows and all of your needs. Now, jumping on to the second point, we have the shared household support. It is going to be ideal for couples or families that they have set up, for example, a budgeting program, a goal, or an objective that they need to attend. For the real-time updates and goal tracking, it is going to be available in Monarch Money, and it is going to be very reliable. Jumping on to Simplifi, we're going to have a smart tracking of spending plans with planned spending categories. We have also some simple forecasting tools and alerts that we can set up. Also, it is not as flexible with complex budgeting styles, so it is not going to be something that we are going to give it a point for. So the winner in this round is going to be Monarch for the budgeting features. And for Simplifi, it is going to be great for more casual budgeting. So the most simplest budgeting casualties, you're going to find them, or the casual users, not the casualties, you're going to find them on Quicken Simplifi. Now, moving on to the investment tracking, Monarch is going to be very decent on the investment tracking. It is going to show portfolios, allocations, and also the growth. For Simplifi, it is going to be stronger in investment support. We have detailed tracking, historical performance, and integration with a brokerage. So here, this point is going to be on the side of Quicken Simplifi because here we have the possibility to view the insights into our portfolio, and this is going to be something that is very strong in financial purposes. Now, moving on to the syncing and bank connections, both are going to be using Plaid or Amex to connect to banks. Connection stability can vary by the institution, but Monarch is often slightly more reliable. So this point is going to be having the money or Monarch Money into its, let's say here, basket. Now for the collaborations, which is going to be including the couples and families, managing their budgets and also attending their goals, Monarch is going to be built-in shared access. So you can invite a spouse, a partner with customizable permissions levels. So it is going to be something that is going to be very useful if you're going to have a family account or a, let's say here, a couple account to manage up the permissions, or it is going to give them some of the permissions so they can see what they can manage. Here, Simplify is not going to have a built-in collaboration feature, so this point is going to be within the Monarch Money. Now, let's talk about the pricing of each one of the platforms. So we are going to head over pricing on Monarch and also the pricing plans that we are going to find on Quicken Simplify. So we are going to find the plan. We have a personal plan, also a business plan that you can rely on Quicken Simplify, because also from the personal account, you're going to also have a business account that you can manage small businesses and also rental properties. On a Quicken Simplify, we're going to have the, as you can see, the promotion, which is going to have a build annually subscription within a $3.99 per month, which is going to be a little bit, let's say here, cheap compared to the features that you're going to get, aside from the family access or the, let's say, couple access. But it is going to be overall a great app with a wonderful interface to use. On Money Monarch, it is going to be billed yearly, as you can see, at $8.33 or monthly for $14.99, which is going to be $15. And it is going to be a little bit expensive if you're going to compare them. And basically, it is going to be here a very, very high price. It is going to be a difference of, I think, $10 to $11 between the platforms. So in my case, it is going to be the Quicken Simplify the winner for this, because we have a long period of numbers that we are going to increase from the $3.99 to compared to this one. As you can see, it is going to be something that we are going to have in case if you're going to use it. I'd rather go with the annual subscription and get maybe here $5 or $4 off. So it is going to be more than enough, and we are going to have it in here. Now, for the let's say here the uses of the both of the apps. Money Monarch is going to be for power users, couples, and those who want deep customizations and net worth tracking. And for Quicken Simplify, it is going to be used for budgeteers who want a simpler, automated approach with decent investment tools at a lower price. Now, for the final conclusion, if you're going to use Monarch Money, that means that you want to have a strong budgeting customization, shared household access, and a polished experience. You can use this specific Money Monarch app and have it like that. And if you're going to choose Simplify, that means that you prefer affordability, automated money tracking, and good investment insight. So at the end of the video, it is going to be a question or a matter of the preferabilities and also the pricing maybe. If you're going to have here shared access, go ahead and have a Money Monarch. If you're going to go solo and have your own, let's say here, calculations, budgets, goals, you can go ahead and go and use Quicken Simplify for only $4 per month. So we are going to get an annual, let's say $48 per year, and it is going to be more than sufficient. That was pretty much it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe.